Hi, Rana here from Technical HQ Team per Lemon. Today we'll learn how to scrap the Google search results, and you can scrap the top 100 results with one click without paying a single penny. For this purpose, I am using the Serve stack. So it's $0 per month, and I can perform the 1000 searches, and I can use the proxy networks and change the search types and use the global locations. So let's log in. Here you can see I have the API key. You can use this. So it's the documentation. Here you can see how to perform the search. Also, you can find another video on the same channel how to use the Substack API within Google Sheets. I have created a video for this. So you can use this to scrap the Google search results within Google Sheets with one click. Also, you can use the Google API keys for this purpose, like search engine API key and the Google search results API key, search engine ID and API key. So there are also a video about this, how to get the search engine ID and API key. So it's the simple. Then you can analyze the data within Google Sheets. So tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.